Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Gboard is installed and up to date because the only supported path uses Gboard's sticker engine. Open a chat app that accepts stickers, then tap the emoji key. Choose one emoji as your base and press it gently. Gboard now shows compatible mashups. Why start here? Because Gboard generates combinations automatically. Once you pick the base, the system proposes blends, and you'll save time versus manual image editing. Once you see suggested mashups, scroll or tap through them to compare styles. You should test different base emojis. Faces paired with objects or animals give strong visual contrast, often yielding clearer stickers. Make sure to preview at sticker size. Pixel detail changes perception. If a combo looks off, pick a different base and repeat. The why? Gboard's generator balances shapes and colors, so varied inputs produce diverse outputs. Experimenting refines the final look. To finish, send your chosen mashup or save it to your sticker pack for reuse. If you don't see combinations, make sure Gboard is updated and the emoji language pack is enabled. Clear cache, then reopen the keyboard. If problems persist, restart the phone or reinstall Gboard. This resets the sticker engine. One key troubleshooting tip. If blends vanish after update, toggle keyboard permissions and language inputs. That often restores the generator without losing saved stickers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.